Hey guys, good morning. Today I want to talk about the Advanced kit, our implants, and the different platforms. Yesterday, someone asked me about the different platforms we have for the different implants. So it's very simple. We have three kinds of implants and four platforms. The Aleph implant, which has a red design, has a single platform across all diameters, and it says right here Aleph. He has the ratchet driver and the motor mount drivers. The Teal implant has two diameters and single platform. You can see it here. You have ratchet drivers and motor mount drivers. The Conics implant has two platforms similar to Noble Active, and the 3.5 millimeter is NP platform, and the 4.3 and 5 millimeters are RP platform. You can see it right here, NP and RP. It's fairly simple, but if you are not used to our system, you might be confused when you get the Advanced kit. So pay attention what kind of implant you're using and what kind of ratchets and motor mount drivers you are using with them. Thank you guys and have a good day.